This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Eastern Henrico. More specifically, I'm in Verina, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home. This home is located here on a very quiet street. There's not much traffic coming through here at all. If you're all familiar with this area, you know it's pretty peaceful. We're convenient to the city of Richmond, and it just a different lifestyle than the western part of the county. Prices are very attractive here, and this home would be ideal for someone that maybe was just starting out or downsizing. It would take a household income of about $40,000 to $45,000 to qualify for this home, assuming a pretty normal debt load. If you've been watching for more than a few months, you know that recently I have shown a few investors, a few of the rehabbers that have done some of the beautiful homes that I've brought you. And if you've been paying attention, you know that some of those women are active agents. And the reason I share that with you is that agents have a little bit of an edge in the marketplace because they have the education, the training to know some of the basics. Now, when you go through real estate training, you don't learn how to be an investor. However, if you are an agent, you do know some of the basics. You have some tools that definitely make it a little bit easier. And the reason I share this with you is that many people that are potential first-time buyers, the challenge that they have is debt. Credit may be a challenge, but usually there's some debt that needs to be cleared, maybe collections, maybe judgments. Perhaps debt load is a little higher than the lenders like, and it impacts your borrowing power. Imagine if you could find out a way to do a real estate deal, let's say a flip, or even work with someone that's experienced. And let's say you put $10,000 in your pocket. That $10,000 for most people would go a long, long way to eliminating most or all of their consumer debt, or perhaps collections or judgments that may be outstanding. That can be done in a relatively short period of time compared to someone trying to do it just off of their normal income, because of course, remember, you still have your normal debts that you have to pay, your monthly obligations. So as Dave Ramsey would say, sometimes it's important just to have a bigger shovel. And real estate is the one tool that people can use in order to make that shovel much, much bigger within a very reasonable amount of time. Many people, of course, have family and a life outside of work. And of course, you don't want to spend your entire life working. Real estate will allow someone to kind of leverage their time, still make money, and achieve their dreams as a result. So I wanted to share that with you as kind of an offshoot from what we talked about before from the referral agent standpoint. There is a young lady in our office. I believe she's been licensed about 3 years. Last month, she joined me on the leaderboard for the month of December. We do our numbers kind of a month in arrears. So she was a leader in the company. We've got 200 agents, and she hasn't been doing this that long. So she has excelled very, very quickly in real estate. She's gotten involved with some investors. She's networked, and she's really doing well just in a short period of time. This is a business that typically takes people quite a while to build up a referral base, to build up the knowledge that's needed to have a nice, handsome income, but she's excelled very, very quickly. There is money available for investors that wasn't available when I first started. There are companies now that will lend money to flip houses. That was not the case back in the early 90s when I started. You either had to know someone or have deep pockets back then. There are many companies that's what they do now. So it makes it really, really easy to go ahead and move forward. They and many other people in Richmond have made very handsome incomes by buying and flipping property, or even just acting as a resource for others. And there are a couple of different ways that that can take place. You don't even necessarily always have to have a license, but having a license is definitely a big help when it comes to making additional money. Okay, this is a really good looking 3-bedroom. We just hit the first bedroom. This is going to be the secondary bedroom. This is not the master. This would be great as a home office or a child's room. We've got a pull down attic here. Built in 2003. As you saw from the exterior, we do have a sloped lot in the back. That just simply means there's less grass to cut back there. Good sized closet here. We have an absolutely stunning day. I really like this warm spell. I believe tomorrow is going to be in the 70s, which is not bad for Virginia in January. We're really fortunate. Okay, this is going to be our master, good size master. We do have an ensuite bathroom. That's going to be our second full bathroom, and a walk-in closet here, which is always a nice plus. That's the one thing I love about relatively modern homes is they give you a little bit more closet space, and that second bath is always a huge plus. Okay, this is going to be, of course, our master bath. We do have a fiberglass tub shower enclosure here. Okay, we can make that work. And I know a lot of people have been commenting about showers in bathrooms. We do see a trend now where in some of the new homes, they're actually not doing tubs in every bathroom, and they're even foregoing a tub in the master. And I know some people really don't like that, but you definitely do have a tub here in this one. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help you. Please be sure to remember that we do have the rent-to-own program available in the county starting at $12.50 a month and up. And we've got homes in all price ranges. So don't think that the only thing available are the homes that you see that I bring you on a weekly basis. There are thousands of homes that I can help you with. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can reach you on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.